What up, lads? Let's make hummus. Okay guys, for the hummus, these are the things we're gonna need. We're gonna need some chickpea, cooked already in the can, some garlic cloves, olive oil, salt, tahini paste. I like adding Tabasco to mine, so I have some spiciness, and the vinegar as well gives some punch. I always love it. Ground cumin, lemon and lime. Okay, if you have only lemons, use only lemons. If you have only lime, use only limes, but you need to have some kick of the freshness inside of it. In a very simplistic way, we're gonna put everything inside the food processor and we're done. All right, yeah, that's simple. So let's start off by draining the chickpeas, which I open here. So we're just gonna open a little bit. We don't need the water, so we just throw it away. If you're doing some vegan mayonnaise in the same time, or maybe in like 2-3 days max, you can still keep this water on the fridge. Otherwise, don't keep it, okay? So, one. So the garlic goes inside, chickpeas go inside, olive oil, Tabasco of course, salt, tahini. So you see this tahini I have a little for a while, and it's normal to have this split of oil like that. So what do? We just mix. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of tahini. Guys, I'm gonna add one lemon, and if we need more after, we add after, okay? We're missing the cumin. So that's how we do. Put everything inside, close it up, and let the magic happen. We're almost there, so the only thing I'm doing here now is just scraping the sides to make sure everything is gonna be blended in together. Close up again, and bam. It is smooth enough for me, but now we need to taste before taking out. So got a little bit more of everything. And blend again. Look at this texture, huh? Final taste. Hell yeah. Let's see. It's unbelievable. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down in the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy cooking.